Everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some simple ways to tie your hairs. Tie a ponytail and put the hair clip on the hairs. Now fix them inside the small section of the clips like this. Tie it from the top and then roll it down. Fix it using this bun pin and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the hairs from the sides and then rotate it. Now using this hair rotating tool, we will rotate the hairs on the alternative sides, make the plaits and fold it. Fix it using the hair clutches like this. Put 2 to 3 clutches like this and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail and fix this bun clip on the hairs. Now tie the hairs on the top and then roll it down and fix it using this bun pin and it's ready. Next, we will tie the hairs by dividing them into 2 parts. Divide the hairs and then make the plaits like this. Fix it on both the sides. Now roll the hairs upward and fold it on the alternative sides. Fix it using the hair clutches like this and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we'll be trying some more beautiful hairstyles. So fold the hairs like this in the between and fix it using the rubber band. Now tie it from the between and then rotate it. Fix it over the hairs and tie it from the sides like this. Fix it and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to tie the ponytail. Fix this bun stick on the hairs and roll the hairs around it. Tie it using a rubber band. Now fold it and fix it from the sides and your hair bun is ready. Next, we have to tie the ponytail like this and then rotate it. Now straighten the hairs from the top and divide it from the between. Now fix the hairs like this and put the hair clutch over it like this and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we have to tie the ponytail as shown in the video. Now fix it in the half and fold it. Now divide the hairs on the top and then roll it down and fix it from the clutch and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides and put the hair clutch over it. Now tie the hairs and then fix it by tying all the hairs, divide it from the between, fold it upward and fix it using the hair clutch and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, you have to tie the ponytail. Now fix this hair bun. Now spread the hairs and tie it like this using the rubber band. Spread it from the sides and fix it. Put the hairband over it and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we have to tie the ponytail. Now divide it from the between and then fold it upward. Fix it by folding it by using the hair clutch and it's ready. Next, you have to make a ponytail. Now rotate the hairs like this after making a space. Now flatten the hairs from the top. Now divide it from the between, fold it upward and fix it using this bun clutch and your hairstyle is ready. Next, you have to tie the ponytail again as shown in the video. Fold it upward and fix it in the half. Now roll it down again and tie it from the bottom. Fix the hairs using the hair clutches like this. Put it and it's ready. Next, we have to take the hairs from the sides. Now fix it on the hairs like this. Fix the clip. Now take the hairs from the sides and put it inside the clips in the small sections. Now take the hairs from the sides again and fix it on the both sides like this and your hairstyle is ready. Next, you have to tie the hairs by using the rolling fingers. Fold it upward like this and put the hair clutch in the between to fix the hairs and it's ready.